Hi, wonderful people out there. Once again, a very warm welcome to you all over this meet and greet. So, this is our self proclaimed talk show where we invite successful or high calibered people to listen to their stories, to inspire and to motivate people, and to create necessary awareness in the society. And I am Azimuddin, your only host over this meet and greet. I sincerely hope that you are having a great, fun filled time and a cherishing evening with your loved ones. Very rapidly, let's get joined because very soon I'm just gonna invite our today's guest of honor. Thank you so much, people who have joined till now. I will wait for a couple of minutes and then we are all set to go ahead. Also, let me know if I am perfectly audible and visible to you. And yes, today will be joining me YouTuber Deepika Rana. Yes, this is the first time that I have called up a YouTuber on this show, Meet and Greet. So I am superfluously excited and thrilled to bits to have her today on the show. And she is a physicist turned award winning YouTuber and a proud homemaker as well. Her channel is Deep All in One channel. If you have not checked out her channel, just kindly go ahead, just right away and just click on her chucklesome content and watch those videos. And yes, today she will be joining me right from England. She is from Deoband, that is a town in Uttar Pradesh, but right now she is residing in England. So yes, today she will be joining me right from England, and there it has to be morning. I think around 11:30 a.m. So yes, obviously we are going across the borders for this episode of Meet and Greet once again. Thank you so much, Vishal. I am glad that you are in. Okay, let me just quickly send her a quick invite, and till that time I will be just doing a chit chat with you guys. Let me just share the video to her. Okay, also let me know that what her channel is all about. So her channel is Deep All in One channel. The channel is all about healthy lifestyle, cleaning, organization, and meal planning. Organization or cleaning does not need to be expensive or at high end. It can be really very simple by using simple products and following routines. This is a community or channel for people looking for organization, cleaning, and healthy lifestyle ideas without spending too much. Yes, I think this is the need of the hour, to go to that kind of content, to go beyond that kind of valid content where we can get some kind of alternatives that don't require that type of rocket science or that valuable, very luxurious products and all. But yes, this is the need of the hour to go for these kind of alternatives that are very simplistic, that are very eco-friendly, that are very human friendly, that are quite correct, complete, understandable. So this is the content that we need to know about. And even I sincerely hope, I personally feel that it is the toughest job in the entire universe to be a housewife, to be a proper homemaker. Yes, and I sincerely hope that this today's live session will be able to make you understand that why it is one of the toughest jobs in the entire universe. And at the same time, it will also encourage all the ladies out there, all the people who want to become an efficient homemaker. So pretty much looking forward for this Insta live. I think ma'am is still not here. Now it's 5:01. Very soon she will be here and she will be with us. And also till that time, let me just recite the disclaimer of this show as prescribed by the IGTV Instagram. Yes, recently they have mailed us that yes, you need to follow certain guidelines. For everyone, for the entire IGTV, it is the disclaimer. So that I need to read it first. Okay. So disclaimer, this is an entertainment program just to having a sole purpose to inspire and to motivate people. All comments, views, opinions expressed herein are independent comments, views, or opinions of the performers and the host. The channel broadcaster, that is IGTV, Instagram, and I also don't endorse, support the same in any manner. The program does not intend to defame, disparage any person, community, race, religion, organization, or party, and viewers' discretion is advised. Yes, as I said, that the sole purpose of this show is just to inspire and to motivate people to provide that kind of valid content or data to you all guys, to provide that kind of brainstorming content, qualitative content to you all guys, that can help you in some way or the another, right? Otherwise there is no that kind of any misunderstandings or that kind of illusions that people may understand. So this is the guideline that every IGTV Instagrammer who are making live videos on the Instagram, they need to follow this disclaimer. So that's why he recited. Okay, it's 5:02. Still waiting for the ma'am to join. Yes, she is here.
Hi,
Hello, hi ma'am.
how are you?
I'm too good. What about you?
I'm completely fine.
Okay, my
It is my
audio and
kind of,
video are fine to you?
yeah, completely fine, completely fine. Am I audible?
Yes,
Visible?
yes, perfectly.
Brilliant.
Yes. So, ma'am, welcome to the show. I sincerely welcome you, officially welcome you on this meet and greet.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure. It's my actually first time. I have done my live sessions before as well, but joining with
Yes.
someone else, it's my first time.
Yes, you have done it on YouTube, right?
Sorry?
You have done those live sessions on YouTube, but it's your first on
Yeah, I
Insta.
have done on Insta as well. Yeah, I have done. Hi,
Yes.
Swati.
So, ma'am, what's happening there? I think there has to be morning. It's 11:30
Yeah,
around.
it's
So, what are
11:30
your
a.m.
plans for the day? Any special plans?
Yeah, I have to record two videos today, so it is tight schedule for today. But yeah, let's see how it happen. I just write down everything in my diary and I just take. If 50% task is done, I was like, okay, enough, done.
Yes, that's very good to know. And even I think just half hour before also you uploaded one video on your daily
Yes,
routine. I got to know
yes,
that.
yes, I did. I did.
Yes. So, ma'am, firstly, let me greet you. Firstly, many, many congratulations to you. Heartfelt felicitations to you that you are an award-winning YouTuber now.
Thank you,
And
thank
your
you, thank
content is
you.
amazing. I must appreciate.
Thank you so much. It's just cause of you guys who watch my video, who appreciate, they encourage me to do. Otherwise, a single person can't do everything. It
Yes.
really good support I'm getting, and I have very genuine audience with me. They always support whatever I upload. They watch, they appreciate, and they are happy. So I'm happy to do good things for them.
Yes, and all those reviews, all those feedbacks, they provide you inner satisfaction, inner contentment that yes, I am going on the right track. People are loving my content. So
Exactly,
it's a
exactly.
self-boosting also.
Exactly, it works wonder when I go to my comment section. There are like 90% comment. They are just encouraging me to do good things, and I'm so blessed to have such a good audience with me.
Yes, and yesterday when you uploaded the poster, even there also you have got a ton of good comments, congrats comments to you.
Yes, yes, they are happy whatever I'm doing, man. Like they become so happy if I get a very good response or if I get a single thing, now they become so happy. They are
Yes,
like family to me.
yes. And ma'am, not to forget to mention, even my mother is also your ardent follower or subscriber. When she gets
Thank
time, she
you.
just go through all your contents, all your videos.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes,
बहुत
and even
सारा
she
शुक्रिया
gave me
बोलना
the
आपको.
reference that I should interview you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes. So, ma'am, first and foremost, just tell us that how it was your early life, how this YouTube journey got started. You
It
were
is
a physicist, right?
Yes, yes. I have done my MSc in physics, and then I worked in scientific section for almost like 8 years,
Okay.
more than 8 years. I started my YouTube. There was no perception like that I need to earn from YouTube or I wanted to be a content creator. When
Hmm.
I visited India in December 2017, so we have family background like that, and some condition in the family, like they are not well, they are bound with some responsibility, so no one can't visit us here. Especially my parents, like biological and in-laws, both can't
Yes.
visit us. But when I visited, I felt that urge in their eye. They wanted to see how we are living here.
Yes.
So I started cause of them. And that time internet was not in that stage in India. Like everyone is having smartphone, everyone had got internet. So my mom and dad used to call me once in a week, going to cyber cafe by Skype. So I started just for them. Initially, I'm not like a computer person. I don't know anything about editing. Still, I'm learning. So I just started for them. First, I put some cooking videos to polish my little bit editing skills. Then I learned, then I started doing vlogging. But I was not literally aware that people gonna love my videos, and then it went to some other way as well. So this is how it started. For my parents, now I have a big family here.
Yes. So I must say that it was just a random start. You just uploaded videos randomly. You were not having that kind of idea that yes, it would go along in this way further.
No, not at all. Not at all. I was not even like how many hours you need to monetize your channel. My channel criteria completed, and I was not, I have to apply for monetization. My videos went viral, and when my channel got monetized, after that, my no video of mine went viral. I was like, I didn't get any money about that. But that's completely fine. I got good audience through that.
Yes. And one thing, because it's all because that is your remarkable content that you're uploading. And that is one thing that I really liked about your all vlogs, your videos. Like, it is very simplistic. You know, you are invoking that your personal life experiences as well in those videos. It is not manipulated. It is very understandable and correct, I think.
Thank you so much. Yes, I try to put like I'm a lifestyle vlogger now, and I just show my life how we are living. It's not posh life. It's not whatever we are doing. We are
Yes.
simple person, desi people from small town, from village. So we just show what we are. That's it. We can't. I don't make any. Even when I'm doing a voiceover, I don't make any script like I'm just doing or I need to read these things. No, I just say what is coming in my heart. That's it. And we show that as well. What we are doing, we just show. That's it.
Yes. And that is the power of that realness, that newness, that originalness.
That's why people liking it. Otherwise, there are so many fake things going
Yes.
around, and that's why I'm getting so much love.
Yes, and that is a big deal in this time because now that YouTube has become so much competitive. Now you are having n
Very.
number of channels.
So much, so much. Even big celebrities who have made a big milestone in their life, they are also on YouTube. And someone told me, "Oh, Deepika, you are in England. आप तो बहुत अमीर हैं. आप क्यों vlog कर रहे हैं?" I was like, अमीरी का
Yes,
vlogging से क्या मतलब? Vlogging तो और
yes.
बहुत सारे टेलीविजन के
It's
इतने
just a
सारे
way of
स्टार हैं. They
self-expression.
started vlogging, and I don't know where they see we are so अमीर. भगवान जाने.
Yes.
So
And ma'am,
yeah, competition is too much now. Too much.
yes. And it's very tough to get these kind of subscribers, n number of subscribers in this today's time. But yes,
It
that has
is.
to go with time.
You have to just be compassionate about what you are doing and always keep in your mind, don't expect. जिस दिन आप
Yes.
एक्सपेक्टेशंस छोड़ देंगे ना, उस दिन सक्सेस खुद आपके पास आने लगेगी. तो किसी से कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन मत रखो. Parents are not your like emergency funds. Kids are not your retirement fund. Do everything by your own. So I
Yes.
never expect anything from anyone, literally. And that is how it's going.
Yes. Very true. And ma'am, you are from Deoband, from
Yes, हाँ
Uttar
जी, हम
Pradesh. I am
देवबंदी
also
हैं.
from Badaयूं, Uttar Pradesh. So how you
Very.
went in England?
No, it's because of my husband actually, and
Okay.
he was doing MTech from IIT Delhi, and we got married when he was in second semester. So we never planned, we never thought we will come here, and he applied for PhD in IIT as well. He got the position. Meanwhile, he was just randomly applying to other countries as well, and one day he got call like you are selected for an interview for a PhD. He gave the interview, they selected, and we were like literally, and this is how we came here. He came in January 2011, and I joined him again, I think in July 2011, because I have to sort out my work things and everything.
Okay. And
So
ma'am,
this
in which year
we
you
came as a
started doing
student here.
YouTube?
Sorry,
In which year you started YouTube?
I started in January 2018.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So ma'am, now I would like you to tell about your channel for all your viewers who are new here.
Okay, my channel, it's just simple lifestyle vlogging where you will see so many cooking with so many jugadu recipes. Every day, what we are doing, some motivational tips, and just like everything, it is a new family to you. So if you want to join me on my channel, Beeps All in One, then you will see a family content which you can enjoy thoroughly with your family. You're gonna laugh a lot. Sometimes you're gonna be a bit emotional because these are raw moments in everyone's life. So it is just a family, far away family. That's it.
Yes, that's great. Even it is there you will find cooking aspects as well. There you will find healthy lifestyle aspects as well. Everything. You know, it is not
Everything.
restricted.
No, it's not. It's not. Some people tell me, दीपिका आपकी रेसिपी सर्च करने में हमें कई बार दिक्कत हो जाती है. तो मेरे मन में यही आता है कि कुकिंग चैनल नहीं है, कि पर्टिकुलर एक
Yes.
कंटेंट के ऊपर बेस्ड नहीं है. Here everything. That's why it is Deep's all in one channel. You will get everything here. जो भी एक नॉर्मल लाइफ में एक नॉर्मल फैमिली में होता है वो आपको यहाँ सब कुछ मिलेगा.
Yes, it is an amalgamation, it is a mix up of all the emotions, of all the aspects of life that are required to
Exactly.
lead a healthy lifestyle.
It is. It is. It is. I show recipes as well, but I have to. She's saying hi from there. So
Okay.
yeah, there are like recipes, but I have to manage the things, like we are not eating that much because I have to show recipes as well. So I just make a balanced for full week. Okay, this day we are showing burger and pizza. So next day we're gonna have some moong dal ki khichdi. So have to balance these things.
Yes,
Hi,
because
Nakul.
it is multidisciplinary.
It is. It is. You have to think a lot. You have to manage a lot. You have to set routines, and you strictly need to follow those.
Yes, absolutely. And ma'am, now as you're residing in England, so you have been here as well. Your native place is this India. So what kind of differences you are experiencing in the nature and behavior of people there?
I feel huge difference actually here, but I'm talking about the India which was 11 years ago, 10
Hmm.
years ago when I was in India. So, like if you're going on a street and someone is coming in front and then you just say hi, you smile, sometimes you wink. So if
Hmm.
you will do those things in India, there will be some different thing. People gonna think, oh, देखा उसे देख के smile कर रही है. Look, they winked to each other. Here, if you do that, that is kind of greet. You are greeting
Yes.
people. So that is the big difference. But I don't know अगर ऐसा भी इंडिया में भी हो गया, अगर हो गया होगा तो
Hmm.
बहुत अच्छी बात है. लोगों को एक दूसरे को देख के स्माइल करना चाहिए, प्यार करना चाहिए. तभी एक पॉजिटिव वाइब भी मिलती है, नहीं तो जा रहे हैं बस ऐसे ही. So that is the major thing. Or but I like one thing in India, there is a joint family culture and
Yes.
people learn so much in family. यहाँ पर सब न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज हैं. लाइक एक ही सिटी में भाई बहन सब रहते हैं, बट सबके अपने अलग अलग घर हैं. किसी का किसी के साथ कोई इंटरफेरेंस नहीं. वीकली बेसिस दे जस्ट डिसाइड ओके वी गोना कम टू यू. दे मीट एवरी वीक, बट आई फील दैट इज लाइक बिट प्रोफेशनल लाइफ हियर.
Yes.
So some things are good there, some things are good here, but I try to adapt positive things from everywhere.
Yes, from everyone, from each and every culture, from each and every surrounding, we can get something, a learning
Something, and
experience.
we always should like grab only good things from whatever you are seeing. There is always, वो बोलते हैं ना कि दो पहलू होते हैं एक सिक्के के, तो
Yes,
हमेशा जो है वो जब भी आप किसी चीज को देख रहे हो तो अवॉइड कर दो जो उसका नेगेटिव पार्ट है, तो उसमें जो अच्छी चीज है बस वो ग्रैब कर लो, दैट्स इट। और इंसान पूरी उम्र सीखता है।
yes, there is no stop. And here also we are getting this comment that yes, life outside India is different.
वेरी डिफरेंट, वेरी, एंड आई फील दैट स्ट्रगल भी बहुत ज्यादा है यहाँ पे, बहुत
Yes,
स्ट्रगल है जो लोगों को शायद वहां रहकर नहीं दिखता है। लोग जब इंडिया में जॉइंट फैमिली में रहते हैं उनको वो चीज समझ नहीं आती है, व्हेन दे कम आउटसाइड एंड देन दे फील कि वो कितना बड़ा ट्रेजर था हमारे पास जिसको हमने उस टाइम पे इग्नोर किया है। अब अगर यहाँ पे बाय चांस मुझे किसी दिन फीवर हो जाए, इफ आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू एनीथिंग फॉर वन डे, आई नो द होल मैस गोइंग अराउंड, बिकॉज
yes,
नो वन गोना रिप्लेस मी हियर। इफ यू आर इन जॉइंट फैमिली, ठीक है, एक को कुछ हुआ तो दूसरा बंदा है ना रोटी बनाने के लिए।
yes.
तो
Someone is
हियर
there to
थिंग्स
help
आर,
you.
no, 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 no. When my daughter born, me and my husband, we were alone here. My parents can't visit us. So we were alone. We managed that whole scenario all alone. First time experience that was, can't explain even.
Yes, and I think
So
the people of that place are their horizon is also very broadened. Their mindset, they are self-motivated and all.
they are यहाँ पे kids are 16 plus, they try to search for job, they earn, and they move out from the houses. Parents don't have any responsibility, like some people keep them, but if you want you can move out, you do by yourself. यहाँ पे responsibility नहीं है किसी के ऊपर, everyone is
Yes,
independent here. Whatever you wanna take decision for your life, that's your, no one is bothered about that, to whom you are marrying, to whom you are living, whatever you are doing. And there is one big thing which I like here, people even don't ask about what jobs you are doing, because it
okay.
feels rude here
Yes,
कि तुम क्या काम कर रहे हो, क्योंकि यहाँ
that is
पे
a
किसी
bad
भी काम
gesture.
को छोटा बड़ा नहीं माना। आई वॉज वर्किंग इन टेस्को एंड कस्टमर सर्विस, आई यूज टू गो बाय पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट, देर वॉज अ स्वीपर, शी वॉज कमिंग इन मर्सिडीज बेंच, सो देर वॉज नो डिफरेंस।
Hmm.
सो यहाँ पे हर काम को उतनी ही वैल्यू दी जाती है, विच इज सो गुड थिंग। तो यहाँ पे अगर आप किसी से पूछते हैं, इंट्रोडक्शन होता है, व्हाट्स योर हॉबीज,
Hmm.
इट्स नॉट लाइक ओ व्हाट जॉब यू लाइक। इंडिया में हम जिस टाइम जाते हैं ना, हमारे पास सबसे बड़े, कितना कमा रहे हो भाई, कौन सी नौकरी
Yes,
कर रहे हो भाई, सबसे पहला ये आता है।
and I think their people are not. They are not very. They are self-boosted. They are self-oriented. They don't want to
दे
intrude into any the people other people's privacy.
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। पेरेंट्स बच्चों को नहीं बोलते हैं, बच्चे पेरेंट्स को नहीं बोलते। वही बोल रही हूँ कि बहुत इंडिविजुअल लाइफ है। कुछ पॉइंट्स तक दे आर गुड, दे आर फाइन, certain points, because we desi people, we don't like, but yeah, it's fine, it's fine, it's their culture.
Yes. And even we are getting here comments also that people are able to relate all these things.
Yes, who are outside India, they can understand everything, every bit.
Yes. So, ma'am, as you upload your videos, they are on different topics, they are on multiple aspects. So, how do you research about how do you just identify that on this subject I am gonna make video now?
Based on people's opinion, their comments, I get like दी ये करके दिखाओ, दी इस चीज को share करो, so I make my projects according to this. Like I upload video Mondays to Friday, that is kind of working, and Saturday Sunday off. तो मेरा यही होता है कि 2 या 3 वीडियो उनमें से ऐसी होती है कि डे इन माई लाइफ, वट एवर आई एम डूइंग, आई शो दैट। 2 वीडियोस कंटेंट बेस्ड होती हैं, that can be some organization tip, some healthy lifestyle, or sometimes shopping hauls. So I just try to mix match, so लोग बोर ना हो, उनको different
Yes.
different every week चीजें मिलती रहे।
Yes. And that's great to portray these issues, these scenarios that people want to learn, that people want to know
Exactly.
about.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, मैं हर चीज जो है किसी टॉपिक से शाई हो कि ये नहीं कि मुझे इस चीज से दिक्कत है, आई जस्ट स्पीक ओपनली एंड पीपल लाइक दैट वे एज वेल।
Yes. And ma'am, as you are working mother, you are a housewife, proud homemaker. And I also personally feel that this is the toughest job, in the entire universe to be an efficient homemaker. So what kind
It
of
is.
strategies you follow personally to stay on the right track,
Um,
to be very self-efficient?
Buy a diary, write your
Okay.
everyday tasks, and follow them. Make your routine, weekly routine, monthly routine, daily routine, but it's not only writing is not enough.
Yes, you have
You
to
have to
implement.
imply. Yeah, you have to do that. And when you start doing those things, na, then it comes in your habit. फिर वो चीजें
Yes.
दिमाग में चलने लगती हैं कि आपको ये भी करना है तो वही है कि डिसिप्लिन इज सो नेसेसरी फॉर एवरी फील्ड आइदर यू आर वर्किंग और यू आर होम मेकर यू आर गोइंग आउटसाइड यू आर डूइंग वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम वट एवर यू आर डूइंग बट यू नीड a disciplined life you need set routines set goals and you have to imply them strictly.
Yes. Only your desires, only just you are maintaining your timetable, that doesn't matter the most. That is of primary importance, but then how practically you are implementing that, that is the big deal. For some days,
That
people
is
are able to implement, but then they give up.
एग्जैक्टली exactly, दिमाग में आप कुछ भी सोच लो सपने आप कितने भी देख लो लेकिन अगर आप एफर्ट नहीं करोगे देन नथिंग गोना हैपन कहते हैं ना हमारे बड़े कि खाने को जब तक तोड़ के मुंह में नहीं डालोगे वो नहीं जाएगा अब तुम बोलते रहो थाली को कि आजा मेरे मुंह में वो नहीं जाएगी यू हैव टू डू सम
Yes.
एफर्ट.
Yes, right. Even Sayam here is saying you are best cooker.
थैंक यू. जुगाड़ू
Okay.
रेसिपीज होती है मेरी मोस्टली.
So are you a foodie? Do you love food or do you love to cook?
आई एम पैशनेट कुक. खाने में चॉइसेस थोड़ी सी लाइक मैं खा सब कुछ खा लेती हूँ मेरे कुछ इतनी ज्यादा वो नहीं है कि हाँ मुझे ये नहीं खाना वो नहीं खाना मैं सब कुछ खा लेती हूँ. कुछ चीजें बहुत पसंद है लेकिन मुझे खाना बनाना बहुत पसंद है. आई
Okay.
लव कुकिंग. आई लव एक्सपेरिमेंट करना यहाँ से वो टिप ले लो वहां से वो टिप ले लो अमलगम करके कुछ बना दो सो आई डू लाइक दैट.
Yes. और वो बहुत इम्प्रेसिव बहुत इंट्रिगिंग भी होती हैं फिर व्यूअर्स के लिए क्योंकि वो
यस.
ऐसे कहीं भी नहीं मिल जाती.
हाँ लोगों को ये रहता है ना कि अरे हम तो ऐसे बनाते हैं दीपिका ने ऐसे दिखाया चलो इसको ट्राई करके देखते हैं. सो एंड आई गेट सो मेनी कमेंट्स अबाउट दैट कि दीपिका हमने ट्राई किया बड़ा अच्छा लगा हम पहले तो ये चीज बिल्कुल नहीं खाते थे. आई वॉज काइंड ऑफ जब मैं छोटी थी मुझे बैंगन का नाम सुन के इतना होता था कि नहीं मुझे नहीं खाना है और आज मेरे चैनल पे बैंगन की रेसिपीज की सेपरेट प्ले लिस्ट है. तो मैंने
Yes.
इतना एक्सपेरिमेंट उस सब्जी के साथ किया है नाउ इट इज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट सब्जी.
Okay. And people are saying, Priya is saying, I think influencer is a very appropriate word for you. Yes. Even I also
थैंक
feel
यू
the
सो मच.
same because you are able
थैंक
to
यू.
influence each other's lives.
एग्जैक्टली दैट इज द पर्पज ऑफ लाइफ. आपके पास अगर कुछ अच्छा है कुछ नॉलेज है देन शेयर इट. आई हैव सीन लाइक वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड शी मेक अ वेरी गुड रेसिपी एंड लाइक यार बताना इतनी अच्छे से बताती है. ओ दैट्स माई सीक्रेट. मैं तो कोई सीक्रेट रखती नहीं मैं तो सब बता देती हूँ. सो इफ यू नो समथिंग दैट इज
Yes.
गुड देन टेल पीपल.
Yes. That must be shared. It must be spread.
एग्जैक्टली वो स्प्रेड होगा बहुत तो सबको वो चीज अच्छी अच्छी मिलेगी. तो जो कुछ भी अच्छी नॉलेज आपके पास है जस्ट स्प्रेड इट आउट.
Yes, absolutely. And ma'am, you also tell us about your YouTube awards that you have
सॉरी
got.
यूट्यूब.
YouTube awards.
I first that's my play button. After that, I got email from YouTube London Space. I went there and they chose 20 YouTubers from UK, and I was one of them. Our videos were displaying, so that was like innovative content creator. So that's all. That's all. And I think last year there was one more event. I got one more award, but I मेरे पास वो अभी तक पहुंचा नहीं है actually because I was injured. I couldn't go there. That is a lifetime regret in my life. I couldn't go there. So let's see. When I will go, I'll grab it and I'll show everyone.
Yes. So how it was your first feeling when you got your first play button for completing
Oh,
100,000 subscribers?
that
You
was
must be very
insane. I
thrilled.
never expect. I never expected कि मेरे 1,000 सब्सक्राइबर भी होंगे, but suddenly they reached up to 10,000, then 20. There was one month, I think month August 2018, when in a month I got 45k subscribers, and I even couldn't sleep. Like, how can it happen? My channel was not monetized even that time, and I reached 200k subscribers.
Yes.
So that was insane. That was insane, and that was like I got my first award when I was a kid. It was just like, oh my God, what I get. I was so excited. It was so happy moment.
Yes. And truly, it's that exceptional feeling, when your hard work is getting appreciated.
It is, and it was a random thing which I like. People decide what we're gonna do in future. It was the thing which we never decided. It just happened.
Yes.
So yeah, it was so good moment.
Yes. And when my mother is here, she is watching the live from the another room and she is commenting, God bless you, Deepika. You are doing great job. You are real.
थैंक यू सो मच. बस आप लोगों का आशीर्वाद चाहिए. आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट. अच्छा अच्छा कंटेंट देती रहूंगी. बस प्यार बनाए रखना. दैट्स ऑल आई वांट.
Yes. And I would like to say that people, viewers here, if they want to ask any particular questions, then you can also type out your questions in the question box. Then I will be sharing those questions on the screen and ma'am will be happy to reply.
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Of
And ma'am, as a
course.
YouTuber, you are an inspiration to many people out there. Then who is your favorite YouTuber? Is there anyone whose
Oh,
videos you follow?
at the moment, if I'll say, I watch comedy videos because there are so much surroundings,
Hmm.
things going on which just brainwash or don't make you feel happy. So I watch comedy videos, and I watch Darman, Jay Shetty. They have motivational videos. Everyone knows about them, and we watch them even with my daughter. So she get influenced as well. And there's Lalit Shokin. I have told so many times I like his comedy videos. And there was one couple in Sheer Dance, but they stopped doing videos now. So I just watch any comedy video. There is no particular section, but yeah, I do watch them. एंड यस निशा मतलिका आंटी. पहले मैं उनकी बहुत रेसिपीज देखती थी, बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट किए हैं, बट हाँ अब नहीं टाइम मिल पाता इतना कि हाँ देखें.
Yes. And because that comedy, that stuff is also something different. Because you are very much keen in this lifestyle cooking, you are
Yeah,
doing that.
and I'm
So
very,
obviously you will be attracted to something else.
yeah, I'm very jolly person. I like those things ना. तो मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है कि हाँ एटलीस्ट 5 मिनट के लिए आप सारी चीज भूल जाते हो, and you are just laughing. That is good therapy. Laughter therapy is the best therapy.
Yes. And to make people laugh, it is also a big deal. It is also
Big
very
deal.
challenging.
बहुत पुण्य का काम है भैया. किसी को हंसाना, दुनिया दुखी देने में लगी पड़ी है नहीं तो.
Yes. एंड मैम यहाँ पे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस अब आने लगे हैं.
हाँ जी.
Like, does your daughter know Hindi, Deepika? I like the way she speaks English, but would love to hear Hindi.
हाँ
Yes,
जी,
I
वो
think
हिंदी
her
बोल.
accent is that different.
Different. She born and brought up. Everything is here,
Yes.
surrounding by British people. She is going to school or nursery. British is there. So accent उसका British है. हिंदी वो पूरी अच्छी तरीके से समझती है जो भी हम बोल रहे हैं. लेकिन हाँ वो रिवर्ट बैक करने में अभी उतनी ज्यादा वो फ्लुएंट नहीं है. बट हाँ वो समझती सारी है और बोलती भी है. लेकिन हाँ उतनी फ्लुएंटली नहीं बोल पाती है. इनिशियली हमने उसको बहुत फोर्स भी नहीं किया कि तुम हिंदी भी
Yes.
सीखो और तुम इंग्लिश भी सीखो. Because wherever she was going, they are speaking in English. So I don't
Hmm.
want to confuse her by the dual language. ठीक है,
Yes.
घर पे हम
And
लोग
because
हिंदी
she
बोल
is
रहे
in
हैं
that
तो ठीक है.
surrounding.
Yes. So she speaks Hindi, but not so fluently.
Okay. And ma'am, how is your parent-child bonding with your daughter? What are her hobbies, her leisure time activities, her passion?
Art, any kind of art. She is a very good artist. She draw, like I can't draw these things. मुझे painting पसंद है color वाली, but she is really good in drawing, sketching. She made Mona Lisa, and in clay art, sculpting बहुत अच्छी करती है. She's gonna be 8 very soon. and she is good in artwork, so we are thinking to encourage her in that field, not like कि भैया तेरे को भी physics ही पढ़नी है, तेरे को भी doctor engineer ही बनना है, nothing like that. Whatever she loves, she gonna do that. And like
Yes.
bonding, we are like friends. समझती नहीं है वो कुछ ज्यादा हमें.
Yes. You know, there must be a proper balance. You need to be sometime strict as well. You need to be sometime that handfulness as well, very frank, because that is the most cherishable bond, I think, between a son or daughter and a parent.
एग्जैक्टली बच्चों के साथ हमने अपनी फैमिली में वही देखा है. देयर इज ए वेरी डिफरेंट बॉन्डिंग. देयर शुड बी ए फ्रेंडली रिलेशनशिप, सो किड्स विल नॉट हाइड एनीथिंग फ्रॉम यू.
Yes.
If you will be so much strict, they're gonna hide things from you, and then you
Yes.
will not know what they are going through. So always maintain that relationship in which they're gonna tell you everything. स्ट्रिक्ट की जगह आपको स्ट्रिक्ट भी होना जरूरी है, फ्रेंड की जगह आपको फ्रेंड भी होना जरूरी है. तो एक एक बैलेंस्ड रिलेशनशिप बहुत जरूरी है. बट मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट देयर शुड बी फ्रेंडली. सो आप एक दूसरे से सारी बातें शेयर करें ताकि कहीं भी किसी भी पॉइंट पे लाइफ पे वो चीजें रुइन ना हो, कोई गलत स्टेप ना लिया जाए.
Yes, absolutely. Very well said. And you said it very right that there must be a proper communication. You know, that friendliness, that frankness must be there, that bond of trust must be there. And then the siblings will not hide anything from you.
Exactly. Best time when you are going to sleep, just spend 5 to 10 minutes. Oh, how was the day? How was the things going on? Like you talk in the daytime as well. लेकिन वो जो रात को जिस टाइम आप लेट के एक वो डीप कॉन्वर्सेशन करते हैं तो उस टाइम दिल की बातें निकल के आती हैं. So always try that 10-15 minute in those 24 hours and you will make a very good bonding with every relationship. It's not just like with the kid, with every
Yes.
relationship. शांति से बैठ के दो बातें करना, एक दूसरे के बारे में पूछना, अपनी बताना, that plays a big role in every relationship.
Yes, right. And I think that dining time is very appropriate for this. You know, if you are running out of time, then that is the best time. When you are dining, then that is the best appropriate time to spend some quality
Yeah,
time with your children.
exactly. उस टाइम पे कोई स्क्रीन नहीं होता, मोबाइल सबके अलग होते हैं, बात करो. बट कई बार मेरे हस्बैंड, अरे मेरा मुंह कट जाएगा, दीपिका अभी इतना मत बोलो.
Hmm.
So yeah, dining time is also good when you are having meal together, you are sitting together. Yeah.
Yes. And remember, how long do you take to make one video? How is your video making schedule?
Uh, some days are like when I record, if there is any content based video, I try to finish 2 videos in a day. So next day I can edit them, voice over, I do those things. But yeah, no, I work 5 days a week and I just manage things between those 5 days. 2 days I need it. I don't do any editing. I don't check YouTube. I don't do anything on those days. That is my family time, fun time, and other things we do on those days. 5 days I work.
Yes. And I think that is very needed. That is needful to spend me time with yourself at
एग्जैक्टली. आप
weekends.
खुद को भी पैम्पर करना होता है, आपको फैमिली के साथ भी. लाइक काम हर कोई कर रहा है. इट डजंट मीन इफ यू आर गोइंग आउट ओनली फॉर वर्क. इफ यू आर वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, स्टिल यू हैव टू मैनेज सम थिंग्स ना.
Yes.
सो फैमिली टाइम इज so important, so important.
Yes. And ma'am, as there are many ladies out there, many housewives out there who just want to become efficient, these homemakers or housewives like you. So what kind of professional advice you want to give to them? That personal advice or professional advice? That how they should
एक
follow that?
एक तो सबसे पहली बात है कि आपको अपनी लाइफ को जानना पड़ेगा सबसे पहले कि हाउ इज योर वर्क स्केड्यूल. आपकी फैमिली में जितने लोग हैं उनका किस तरह का स्केड्यूल है. अकॉर्डिंगली you have to set up your routine. Of course, if you are a homemaker, you have to go according to your family. Family is not gonna go according to you. That is
Yes.
a little bit down point, but yes, you have to do it. But if you balance that thing now, then you will not feel like you are doing too much.
Hmm.
Multitasking करो. एंड अगेन आई वुड से एक डायरी बनाओ, चीजें लिखो. सुबह उठ के या पहले दिन अगले दिन के सारे टास्क आप मेंशन करो. जिस टाइम रात को आप बैठोगे और उन टास्क के ऊपर आप क्लिक करते हो, यू फील मोटिवेटेड कि आज मैंने इतना काम कर लिया. You feel
Yes.
so happy. So again, discipline and some routines are so important for a balanced life. और जो भी करो ना, उसको enjoy करके करो, मन मार के मत करो कि हाय मुझे तो खाना बनाना है, हाय मुझे तो सफाई करनी है. जस्ट enjoy it. अरे मुझे तो खाना बनाना है, चलो मैं तो किचन की तरफ जा रही हूँ. तो डू लाइक दैट. अपने आप को खुश रखो तो सारी चीजें सब आराम से मैनेज हो जाएंगी. इट्स नॉट अ रॉकेट साइंस, यू गोना डू इट. आई एम 100% श्योर.
Yes, even I am completely agree with you that it all depends on your own self approach and your own self discipline. That what are the approaches you are
Exactly.
following? It's all up to you. And it is not 9 to 5 job. It is 24/7 job.
It is
The
24 hours,
homemaker.
365 days.
Yes,
It is, there is no holidays. There is no holiday. It is tough, but it is manageable if you follow particular things.
yes, absolutely. And Mama, what is your approach on comments? Like some
Um,
people also post nasty and negative comments. So what is your take on that?
People speak their mind, their heart. So everyone is not equal. Everyone not gonna think just I think. So what they are thinking, their thought, मुझे उसमें से अगर कुछ अच्छा लगता है तो मैं खुश हो जाती हूँ. अगर वो कमेंट अच्छा नहीं है, completely इग्नोर करती हूँ. इनिशियल डेज ऑन यूट्यूब व्हेन आई वाज नॉट यूज्ड टू, व्हाट आई यूज टू डू के किसी ने अगर कुछ इस तरह का कमेंट किया है, किसी ने कोई ऑब्जेक्शन किया है, तो मैं अपना पॉइंट रखती थी, उस चीज को प्रूव करने की कोशिश करती थी कि नहीं ये ऐसे नहीं है, एक्चुअली ये ऐसे हुआ था. But by the time I realized it's not gonna work, because when people made their mind on particular topic, whatever you do, you're not gonna change their thinking.
Yes.
तो बेटर इग्नोरेंस इज द बेस्ट. तो अब मैंने वो चीजें इग्नोर करनी शुरू कर दी है. मुझे बहुत एवरी डे आई गेट सो मैनी, नॉट सो मैनी बट यस आई गेट नेस्टी कमेंट्स, मोस्टली ऑन लाइक यू आर फैट, बॉडी कैसी है, तुम्हें वेट लूज करना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए. You are just watching 20 to 25 minutes video. You are not watching my whole life. You don't know what happened in past, what I have been gone through, what sickness I have, what lifestyle I had,
Yes.
what trauma I have suffered, what depression phase I have suffered. You don't know. But this is a judgmental world. और आप उस चीज को डिनाई भी नहीं कर सकते हो ना, जिसको जो बोलना है वो बोलेगा.
Yes.
बट
Right.
इग्नोरेंस इज बेस्ट. जब से इग्नोर करना शुरू किया है, यूट्यूब की जर्नी और भी ज्यादा प्लेजेंट हो गई है.
And
सो
this is the best
आई
step that you can do to ignore all these people. Just ignore them. Don't take them
एग्जैक्टली.
personally or don't get influenced by that. Because you
नहीं,
know
क्योंकि
your lifestyle, your life.
बिल्कुल, बिकॉज वी नो दैट एंड वी डोंट नो द पीपल हु आर सिटिंग अदर साइड ऑफ द स्क्रीन, ना व्हाट दे आर गोइंग थ्रू. एंड
Yes.
समटाइम आई फील सो बैड, सो लाइक कि यार इनको हेल्प की जरूरत है. इतनी नेगेटिविटी कहाँ से लेकर आते हैं भाई लोग, कहाँ से लाते हैं. इनको कुछ हेल्प चाहिए एंड आई फील सो बैड फॉर देम.
Yes.
बट
And
वही है कि
why they are
क्या कर
judging
सकते हैं.
you personally? Only you are a content creator for them. So but they are crossing that boundary line and they are just
They
getting
do.
personal.
I am public figure. Okay, you can tell anything to me. Sometimes people go to kids, to husband as well. Uh, I'm not gonna listen about them. They are not public figure, and there are some certain things which you need to think before write anything.
Yes. Just give it a
So
second thought.
criticism is different thing. I always take it in positive way. दीपिका तुम्हारा ये पेन खराब हो रहा है, तुम दूसरा पेन यूज कर लो. दीपिका एक अगरबत्ती नहीं जलाते हैं, दो अगरबत्ती जला लो. दीपिका तुलसी को यहाँ नहीं रखते हैं, वहां रख लो. बहुत सारी ये वास्तु के हिसाब से मिरर यहाँ नहीं होता है. तो आई ट्राई टू अडेप्ट देम, जितना होता है मैं कोशिश करती हूँ. बट इफ दे कम एंड गोना हिट पर्सनली ऑन सो मेनी थिंग्स, I'm not gonna
Yes.
take
Then
it.
it's
I'm
not
not here to
possible.
take those things. No, no, that's my personal life. I'm not gonna take those things. और तब से मैंने वो शुरू किया है. I'm more than happy
Yes.
on YouTube.
Yes. And I think this is one of the biggest challenges of YouTube or of being a content creator. That yes, you need to accept that just if I think this is the best option, just ignoring all these negative comments.
Yeah, being on social media is not so easy. You really need to get a very thick skin. You need very strong mind, strong heart.
Yes.
Sometimes people are so nasty, but if when you decide na कि यार इनको कुछ पता नहीं है, so I just forget and forgive. That's it. So
Hmm.
now I have a very thick skin like my body, so I don't worry of anything. So जिसको जो कहना है भैया कह लो, तुम कह के खुश हो लो, हमारा जो है हम तो
Yes.
कर ही रहे हैं.
यस ऑब्वियसली। और आई थिंक ये थोड़ा एक माइंडसेट ऐसा है, आई थिंक इंडिया के लोगों का भी, हम कुछ हद तक कह सकते हैं और जगह भी, कि यस दे वांट टू इंट्रूड इनटू अदर पीपल्स प्राइवेसी।
Yes, yes, they do. क्या करे पर कोई सोल्यूशन
यस
नहीं है
दैट्स
इस
ह्यूमन
चीज का.
नेचर।
That is human nature.
To
And
some extent, it is satisfactory, but when they cross their limits, then it's challenging.
इट इज चैलेंजिंग. इट इज समटाइम कुछ कमेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो पूरा दिन आपके दिमाग में, भले ही आप कितना भी इग्नोर करने की कोशिश करें, दे जस्ट डू टिक 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 कि यार ऐसा कैसे बोल दिया, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं था. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू हैव टू फॉरगेट, यू हैव टू फॉरगिव, एंड यू हैव टू वेक अप विद द फ्रेश माइंड, एंड यू नीड टू डू योर थिंग्स. सो being on social media, it's not so easy like people think. Oh, वीडियो ही तो बना रही है. There is 6 to 7 hours hard work, recording, editing,
Yes.
publishing, replying your comments. It is time consuming. It's not the matter of snap. It takes time.
Yes, it's very true. And if you are shooting for only for some minutes live or some minutes segment, then also you require half an hour or 1 hour for it, and then you need to edit. Again, there is
And
a
if
after task that you need to edit.
you need to check camera angle if things are. There are some points when you see, oh, camera to blur हो गया यार, अब ये दोबारा करना पड़ेगा. So there are some
Yes.
points like that as well. So you see only 25 minutes video. My videos are actually longer, like 25,
Yes.
20 to 25, sometimes
Then you
27 as
edit.
well. So, yeah, so have to edit those, but it takes whole process take like from recording and everything 6 to 8 hours it takes.
Yes. And it's
So
all about visual representation, visual illustration. So you need to be very
yes,
active, very proactive. एंड बहुत सारी टेक्निकलिटीज भी होती हैं कि कैमरा हो गया, लेंसेज हो गए, शूटिंग हो गई, लाइट हो गई, उन चीजों का भी ख्याल रखना पड़ता है, साउंड.
बिल्कुल रखना पड़ता है, बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है इन सारी चीजों का. एंड आई एम काइंड ऑफ पर्सन जिसे इन चीजों की बिल्कुल भी नॉलेज नहीं थी कभी. ठीक है, बस एमएस ऑफिस आता था, वर्ड, पावर पॉइंट, एक्सेल ये यूज कर लिया. व्हाट इज एडिटिंग, हाउ टू रिकॉर्ड. आई वॉज लाइक, मुझे नेचर की पिक्चर्स क्लिक करना पसंद था, थोड़ी थोड़ी क्लिप्स रिकॉर्ड कर ली, वो पसंद था. बट आई वॉज नॉट प्रो इन, स्टिल आई एम नॉट प्रो इन एडिटिंग. आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग. और अभी भी मेरी वीडियोस बहुत सिंपल होती हैं. देयर इज नॉट फिल्टर्स के यहाँ से कुछ फूल गिर रहे हैं, यहाँ से कुछ लाइट आ रही है. माय वीडियोस आर सो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, सो सिंपल एडिटिंग आई डू, एंड दैट्स ऑल आई कैन डू व्हाट आई थिंक.
Yes. What is satisfactory is just you are doing that. You are not going that advanced level. And I think that's why your work is getting original.
यस, दैट इज. बहुत ज्यादा फिल्टर्स यूज कर, बहुत ज्यादा, तो वो अजीब लगने लगता है, वो रियल नहीं लगता है. एंड आई जस्ट
Yes.
वांट हाउ इट इज, दैट्स इट.
Yes. क्योंकि एक्चुअल तो आपका मैसेज है that you want to convey. वो अगर लोगों तक पहुंच रहा है, then your job is done.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, एग्जैक्टली.
Yes. And ma'am, apart from this, any other challenges you faced till now in this YouTube journey?
I will say not that much, but हाँ, people compare बहुत ज्यादा करते हैं. There are so many lifestyle bloggers, there are so many successful vloggers, and if I say कि आज मेरे पड़ोसी ने छोले भटूरे बनाए हैं, आज मैंने बना लिए, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक वी आर कॉपिंग ईच अदर. यार छोले भटूरे हैं तो वो छोले भटूरे ही हैं, वो कुछ और नहीं हो जाएंगे. तो कई बार होता है कि अरे ऐसी रेसिपी तो हमने वहां भी देखी थी, ये तो वो जो कंपैरिजन होता है ना, या कि उसने उसका कॉपी कर लिया, उसने उसका कॉपी कर लिया. देयर इज नथिंग लाइक दैट. हर किसी का अपना कुछ करने का तरीका होता है. तो कंपैरिजन बहुत ज्यादा है, क्योंकि कंपटीशन बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है.
Yes.
बहुत सारे लोग हैं यूट्यूब में. सो दैट इज द थिंग. बट पीपल नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट everyone is living their own life. They are working in their own kitchen. They have their own pattern to do that.
यस, एंड यू नो जो चीज ओरिजिनल रियल जैसी है वो वैसी ही रहेगी। आप बस उसके फंक्शनिंग
एग्जैक्टली।
में जो आप बना रहे हो उसमें थोड़ा अपना थोड़ा सा एडिशनल टच दे सकते हो, पर्सनल टच अकॉर्डिंग टू
बिल्कुल
योर एटीट्यूड योर लाइफ, बट वो वैसे तो वही
बिल्कुल।
रहेगी ओरिजिनल। तो उसे ये
और
चीज
अब
कंसीडर करना कि वो कॉपी है, आई थिंक ये गलत है।
जब भी मैं बिरयानी की रेसिपी डालती हूँ, यू वोंट बिलीव कि मुझे कितने वेज भी बिरयानी होती है। भैया अगर हम वेजिटेरियन है तो हम तो वेज बिरयानी ही बनाएंगे। हाउ कैन आई मेक
यस
चिकन एंड मटन बिरयानी? आई कांट मेक इट। एंड फॉर अस दैट इज द बिरयानी। मे बी इट इज अ वेजिटेबल पुलाव और राइस फॉर यू, बट फॉर अस दैट इज द बिरयानी। तो
यस
ऐसा होता है कि लोग आके इस तरह के कमेंट करते हैं, बट वही है कि सबका अपना लाइफस्टाइल है, सब अपने हिसाब से करते हैं। और अगर मतलब रसगुल्ला है तो वो रसगुल्ला ही है, और वो इमरती तो बन नहीं जाएगा कि कोई और बनाएगा। तो सब रसगुल्ले को ऐसे ही बनाएंगे, उसकी वही रेसिपी है, वो कितने भी कुकिंग चैनल हो। तो ये रहता है कि लोग कंपेयर करते हैं, टैग्स देते हैं कि हाँ उसकी कॉपी है, ये वहां है। तो इस तरह का रहता है।
यस, बट यस द बेस्ट वे इज जस्ट टू इग्नोर all these type of comments.
एग्जैक्टली, आई नो व्हाट आई डिड। दैट्स इट।
Yes, and you are loving that. You know, now it has become your passion. Now it has become the part of your system. So you are loving that. Now it's your passion.
यस इट इज।
Yes. And ma'am, I think कुछ ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं, you know, they will watch your videos, but still they will comment. If they are not interested in you, then why they are watching your videos? कुछ ऐसे भी हम जो ऐसे लोग होते हैं वॉच करते हैं वीडियोस, वो वॉच करेंगे आपकी पूरी वीडियो बट स्टिल दे विल ड्रॉप दीज काइंड ऑफ कमेंट्स।
एक चीज होती है लव, एक चीज होती है हेट। ठीक है, और एक होती है क्रिटिसिज्म, और वी गोना वॉच द वीडियो, इफ देयर विल बी एनीथिंग वी विल पॉइंट आउट।
यस।
When I upload a video, there are so many people who loves me. Within 5 seconds I get like 200 likes, 300 likes. बट वेन आई अपलोड अ वीडियो, ठीक है, वो लोग प्यार की वजह से कि हाँ दीपिका की वीडियो आई है, अच्छी होगी, चलो लाइक कर दो। बट विद इन अ सेकेंड यू गेट 1 डिसलाइक, 2 डिसलाइक। तो you gonna judge my video, you are more than welcome, judge it, watch it, but at least पहले देखो तो सही, then you
यस।
get one point ना कि कहाँ पे आपको डिसलाइक करना है। तो जितनी शिद्दत से प्यार करने वाले प्यार निभा रहे हैं, उतनी ही शिद्दत से नफरत करने वाले नफरत भी निभा रहे हैं।
बोथ
बट
हैव
आई एम
देयर
नॉट
ओन
बॉदर्ड,
स्पेस।
and you won't believe, you can know who is liking your video, who is disliking your video. There are few people who message me on Instagram, good messages. They ask me, but still from the same ID, they're gonna dislike my video.
ओह।
और मैं उनको नहीं बोलती हूँ। यूट्यूब पे वो अपना काम निभा रहे हैं, इंस्टाग्राम पे आके वो पूछ रहे हैं, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, दैट्स ओके। मैं उनको नहीं बोलती हूँ कि हाँ तुमने मेरी वीडियो को डिसलाइक क्यों कर दी, वहां पे तुमने ऐसे क्यों कर दिया।
दे आर डबल
नो,
फेस्ड।
एक दिन वो खुद रियलाइज करेंगे। सो लेट इट बी।
यस, एंड आई थिंक यू नो दैट्स व्हाई दिस ऑप्शन ऑफ डिसलाइकिंग फॉर यूट्यूब के लिए वो ये कंसीडर नहीं करते हैं। यू नो डिसलाइकिंग आपके
नहीं
मोनेटाइजेशन के लिए ये इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर उनके लिए इसीलिए नहीं है,
नहीं,
क्योंकि दैट इज ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी।
दैट इज जितना वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं वीडियो।
I think there is some network hiccup. Okay, let me take her again. Yes, she is joining from England.
ओ माय गॉड, आई डोंट नो
Yes,
व्हाट
ma'am,
हैपेंड।
we lost you for some time.
All right, I don't know what happened actually.
Yes.
Suddenly, am I visible,
Yes,
audible?
yes. Now
Okay.
perfect.
All right, okay, I'm really sorry about that, maybe इंटरनेट में कुछ हुआ हो।
Yes, that is unpredictable because we are
Oh,
joining from two countries.
oh my God. I don't know what happened actually.
Yes.
Sorry, sorry, sorry.
Yes. So मैम we were talking about YouTube कि हाँ उनके उनके क्या पैरामीटर्स हैं मोनेटाइजेशन के लिए अब, क्योंकि वो अपडेट करते रहते हैं.
मेन तो वही है मोनेटाइजेशन के लिए कि आपका 4,000 आवर्स वॉच टाइम होना चाहिए, मिनिमम 1,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स होने चाहिए, 10,000 व्यूज होने चाहिए. इनिशियल क्राइटेरिया तो यही है, बट नाउ आई थिंक दे हैव डन इट के पास्ट 12 मंथ्स में भी वो क्राइटेरिया पूरा आपका होना चाहिए, देन यू विल कंटिन्यू योर मोनेटाइजेशन. सो इट इज लाइक दैट.
Okay. And ma'am, here Manisha Harjani ma'am is asking, like, tell us about your husband, how he supports you.
Oh, he supports all the time for everything. I can't express those things in words. He is true blessing. Yeah, he supports whatever I want to do. He always encourage. Okay, Deepika, do it. You can do it. अगर मैं कहीं पे ये हो जाती हूँ कि यार ये नहीं होगा मुझसे, then he was like, no, you can do it. You have that capability. So he always supports for everything.
So I think he is your true pillar strength.
He is. He is.
Yes. And ma'am, there was also one question like knowing your routine. How is your routine, daily routine?
Oh, my daily, please go ahead and watch my videos, then you will see my daily routines
Huh.
over there.
Even today's
Uh,
video is all about routine that
it is
recently you have
morning
uploaded.
to afternoon. Yes, yes, it is morning to afternoon.
Yes. And in the same way as ma'am is speaking right here, she speaks in her videos also. Means
Yes,
there is
I
no diplomacy, there is realness.
रियल लाइक आई एम टॉकिंग नाउ. मैं ऐसे ही बात करती हूँ सबसे. इवन तो शुरू की जो मेरी वीडियोस थी ना, तो मुझे देख के लगता था कि हाँ मैं थोड़ा सा अपने आप को रोक के बोल रही हूँ. एंड आई गेट कमेंट्स ऑन दैट कि दीपिका पहले की जो वीडियो होती थी ना उनमें आप दूसरी तरीके से बात करती थी, अब दूसरी तरीके से. बट आई फील कि अब मैं थोड़ी कंफर्टेबल हो गई हूँ कैमरा के सामने, और अब मैं इतना बॉदर भी नहीं करती हूँ. पहले मुझे था कि ये वर्ड गलत ना हो जाए, ये प्रोनाउंसिएशन गलत ना हो जाए. पहले मैं थोड़ा सोचती थी, अब नहीं.
Yes.
कोई नहीं,
With time
एक
you
आधा वर्ड
managed.
गलत भी बोल दिया था. बिल्कुल.
Yes. And ma'am, next one, how to deal with negative people in your family because we can't avoid them.
Yes, that's true. You can't avoid. There are some certain relations which you can't avoid completely. But what I learned from my experience, just let them do what they are doing. You do what you want to do. That's it. And again, don't expect anything from anyone from this entire world.
Yes.
किसी से कुछ भी एक्सपेक्ट मत करो. जब आप एक्सपेक्टेशंस बांधने लगते हो ना दूसरों से, तो फिर आपको पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव दिखाई देता है, या कि उसने मुझे ये बोल दिया, उसने
Hmm.
ये कमेंट पास कर दिया, उसने ये मेरे घर वालों को बोल दिया, ये कर दिया.
फिर आप फील करोगे.
एक्सपेक्ट मत. बस तो वो चीजें छोड़ दो. अगर कोई नेगेटिव है, ठीक है, आप अवॉइड उस रिलेशन को नहीं कर सकते हो, बट भगवान ने दो कान दिए हैं, सुनो, निकालो. जस्ट डू
Yes.
योर बेस्ट. अपनी तरफ से गलती मत करो कि दूसरे को मौका ना मिले आपके ऊपर उंगली उठाने का, वो उस चीज को प्रूफ ना करे. बाकी सबकी अपनी थिंकिंग, जिसको जो सोचना है वो सोचे.
Yes. That's even the biggest takeaway that I also got from your this reply that yes, कि don't expect anything from people
नो, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट.
except
डोंट.
only your main family or your
बिल्कुल.
parents.
आई वुड से डोंट एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम देम एज वेल.
Yes, because what you have to do that is your own further life.
सब कुछ
They can
आपको
help
खुद
you,
से
but you
ही
have to
करना
do.
है. बिल्कुल. सब कोई आके ठीक है आपको सपोर्ट कर देगा, आपको इनकरेज कर देगा, बोल देगा, आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन कोई खुद से करे बहुत अच्छी बात, लेकिन खुद से एक्सपेक्ट मत करो कि वो आके आपको ये चीज बोले. खुद
Yes.
से मत करो एक्सपेक्ट.
और जब हम
बस.
एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करते तब हमें मिलता है, देन अगेन इट्स अ हैप्पी हैप्पी
अगेन
वाइब.
यू बिकम सो हैप्पी, यू फील ब्लेस्ड के यार ये तो सोचा भी नहीं था, इसने ऐसे कर दिया मेरे लिए. तो
Yes.
इसीलिए एक्सपेक्टेशंस मत रखो. ऊपर वाला बहुत देता है, बहुत देता है, वो सुनता है. उसी से एक्सपेक्टेशन रखो, बस दुनिया से मत रखो.
Yes. और ऐसा आप करोगे तो आप खुद किसी और से भी इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं होगे.
नो, नेगेटिव वे में, पॉजिटिव वे में हो जाना चाहिए.
Yes. हाँ, और यही होता है, इवन हम नेगेटिव चीजों से जल्दी अट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं.
होते हैं। आई completely skipped reading newspaper, watching news channels, because whenever you watch, you read, you just see only wrong things, और वो
Yes.
दिमाग को फिर बहुत ज्यादा परेशान करते हैं। तो आई वाज लाइक कम्प्लीटली ठीक है, फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप पे कुछ कुछ अपडेट्स मिल जाते हैं, चीजें पता लग जाती है, बट आई डोंट गो इनटू डीप। सो
Hmm.
इफ यू वांट टू लिव ए पीसफुल लाइफ, ये चीजें देखना बंद कर दो, सनसनी देखना बंद कर दो बस।
स्टे अवे विद ऑल दिस नेगेटिविटी, क्योंकि
हाँ
सच कुछ है और वो
बिल्कुल,
किसी और तरीके से पोर्ट्रे होता है।
किसी और तरीके से न्यूज़पेपर खोलोगे, उसमें 10 केसेस आपको मर्डर के दिख जाएंगे, कुछ आपको रेप के दिख जाएंगे, तो आप खुद से ही इतने ज्यादा परेशान हो
डीमोटिवेटेड।
जाते हो कि हाँ, तो ऐसा लगता है कि बस दुनिया में सिर्फ खराबी ही खराबी है, लेकिन बहुत अच्छी चीजें भी हैं। तो ये
यस। एंड मैम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, आप सब कुछ कैसे मैनेज करते हो, लाइक कैसे मोटिवेट रहते हो हमेशा?
मैं कैसे मोटिवेट रहती हूँ? मैं
योर मंत्रा ऑफ लाइफ।
माई मंत्रा ऑफ लाइफ जिस टाइम मैं सो के उठती हूँ ना, और मैं देखती हूँ कि हाँ, मेरे पास एक प्यारी सी फैमिली है, मेरी प्यारी सी बच्ची है जो मम्मा मम्मा करती रहती है, दैट थिंग्स मोटिवेट मी। दे गिव मी लाइक दैट एनर्जी कि मेरे पास इतना कुछ है। लोग बहुत भागते हैं यार पैसों के
यस,
पीछे कि
दे आर
ये होना
कंप्लेनिंग।
चाहिए। आई डोंट वांट दैट लग्जरी, आई जस्ट वांट दैट लव विच आई हैव, एंड आई वांट टू सिक्योर इट। तो दैट गिव मी मोटिवेशन। तो इसीलिए बस
यस,
मैं कि हाँ, इतनी प्यारी सी भगवान ने मुझे इतना कुछ दिया, मैं आज जिंदा हूँ, मैं सुबह उठी हूँ, मेरी आंखें खुली हैं, देन आई
यस,
जस्ट
दैट इज द बिगेस्ट ब्लेसिंग।
yeah, I just switched on my energy and I just go and do everything. So just whatever you have ना, just be satisfied in that. हर चीज के पीछे मत भागो, हर किसी को सब कुछ नहीं मिलता।
Yes, absolutely. I agree 100%. And that mutual understanding, love, respect, trust, these are necessary. Firstly, not materialistic things.
आप एक रोटी खा के फिर भी गुजारा कर लोगे, लेकिन अगर आपके चारों तरफ ऐसे लोग हैं जो सिर्फ आपसे नफरत ही कर रहे हैं, आप उनके साथ बात नहीं कर पा रहे हो, आप रह नहीं पा रहे हो, यू कांट लिव फॉर अ डे।
Yes. और संगत
तो
का इसीलिए कहते हैं कि असर पड़ता है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, और वही है कि रिश्ता एक तरफ से भी नहीं निपटा, आपको दोनों तरफ से एफर्ट्स डालनी पड़ती हैं, तभी वो चीजें चलती हैं। तो करना शुरू करो। मोटिवेट तो कोई ना कोई पॉइंट हर किसी की लाइफ में होता है, कोई ना कोई चीज हर किसी की लाइफ में होती है जिसे देख के आप मोटिवेट होते हो। और यार
Yes.
बच्चों को देख के
Hmm.
तो हर कोई मोटिवेट हो जाता है। अपने ना हो,
Yes.
दूसरों के देख लो, इतने प्यारे प्यारे फूल चारों तरफ दिखाई देते हैं, तो बच्चों को
Hmm.
देख के कुछ भी कर लो।
Yes. That youngness, that vibrancy, that innocence.
That innocence, na, which gives you positive vibes. They don't know anything what's going around. My daughter is like,
Yes.
when COVID started, lockdown started, she doesn't know anything about that. But she coped really well. तो बच्चे बहुत innocent होते हैं, उनको कुछ नहीं पता होता है। तो just look at them and start your day.
Yes. And you said it very right that yes, we need to be grateful for things, for all the pleasures that we are having. Don't complain.
No, no, should never. जितना है, अपने से नीचे वालों को देखो ना। देर आर सो मेनी
Yes.
होमलेस पीपल जिनके सर पे छत भी नहीं है, जिनको खाने को
Hmm.
नहीं मिल रहा है। और
True.
देर इज वन मोर थिंग, लड़का है लड़की है, उनको
Yes.
देखो
That
जिनके बच्चे
discrimination.
नहीं है, ये जिनके
Yes.
बच्चे नहीं है। तो बहुत मतलब बहुत कुछ है, हमसे नीचे बहुत लोग हैं। तो ऊपर देखने के बजाय उनको देख के अपने आप को फील करो कि कितनी अच्छी पोजीशन पे हो, कि इतना कुछ है, टाइम से रोटी मिल रही है, छत है, सब कुछ है। लग्जरी के लिए ऊपर देखोगे तो टाटा अंबानी बहुत है, किस
Hmm.
किस को देखोगे, हर कोई वो नहीं बन सकता, बट उनको देखो जो नीचे हैं, उनकी लाइफ सुधारने की कोशिश करो।
Yes. Absolutely. This must be the true attitude towards life, optimistic attitude towards life. Yes. And here comes another question. Like, what is your daughter's response about your videos?
और समटाइम शी डजंट वॉच दैट मच कि हाँ बहुत ज्यादा मेरी वीडियोस देख रही है, बट शी नोज मम्मा इज ए यूट्यूबर। ओ यू गोना रिकॉर्ड दिस बिट नाउ मम्मा, वी आर जस्ट मेकिंग पास्ता and you are recording this one. So she is funny, but she likes, and she tells her friend, "Oh, my mom is YouTuber." So sometimes she feels proud as well. Oh, so many people knows my mom.
Yes.
So
I think she is very lucky to have you as her mother.
oh, don't know, don't know. Let's see.
Yes. And ma'am, you have also one more channel, right?
Yes, yes.
So what it is all about? They both are related?
No, that is a different content. That is particular content-based channel, and I put kind of beauty videos over there, home remedies जो हमारी दादी नानी यूज करती थी. क्योंकि आजकल की दुनिया क्या हो रहा है ना, बहुत ज्यादा केमिकल्स आ गए हैं. लोग अपनी स्किन को इतना ज्यादा नुकसान कर लेते हैं उन चीजों को यूज करके,
Yes.
और फिर उनको ये होता है कि ये पिंपल निकल गए. तो मेरे पास कुछ चीजें हैं मेरी डायरी में बहुत पुराने टाइम से. देन आई थॉट कि हाँ चलो वो भी मैं, तो पहले मैंने सोचा कि इसी चैनल पे डालूं, बट मैं कहा नहीं चलो अलग ही करते हैं. देन आई स्टार्टेड अदर
Hmm.
चैनल, तो वहां पे मैं बहुत फ्रीक्वेंट नहीं लेकिन हाँ डालती रहती हूँ जो भी मेरे पास रेमेडीज होती हैं. दैट्स इट. तो वो थोड़ा
Yes.
कंटेंट बेस्ड चैनल है.
क्योंकि वो थोड़ी एक अलग डोमेन भी हो गई, अलग रिलेटेड एरिया हो गया. आई थिंक
हाँ,
उसमें वो
और
टारगेट ऑडियंस उधर अच्छी आएगी.
हाँ, इंटरेस्ट भी लोगों का, जिनका उन चीजों में इंटरेस्ट है वो लोग देखते हैं. दिस इज लाइफस्टाइल ब्लॉगिंग. ये तो ठीक है, लोग काम कर रहे हैं, वीडियो चला ली बैकग्राउंड में, दीपिका बोल रही है तो अपना काम करते रहते हैं लोग, तो वो देख लेते हैं. दैट इज पर्टिकुलर शॉर्ट वीडियोस आई पोस्ट देयर.
Yes. And there is also a channel of your daughter because there was one comment.
Yes, yes. She records little bit what she is drawing if she is going out. So I just that's not particular edited or anything. महीने में एक दो वीडियो चली जाती हैं उस पे, तो I just join those clip and put on her channel. That's it.
Yes.
तो वो कोई ऐसा कंटेंट बेस्ड ऐसा चैनल नहीं है कि जिसके लिए हम कुछ एफर्ट्स डाल रहे हैं, कुछ स्पेशल रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हैं. नो, दैट्स जस्ट हर फन. Mama is
Yes.
doing videos, so I am gonna do some videos. I have competition in my own home.
Oh, and it is just a fun-filled exercise.
It is. काफी
And already you
कॉन्फिडेंट
can
हो गई है वो.
utilize your time in this way. It's
Yes,
productive also.
it is. वो कॉन्फिडेंट हो गई है इस तरह से कैमरा के सामने बात करनी. शी वॉज बिट शाई, जैसे कोई फ्रेंड आता था, कोई भी आता था तो वो कहीं और चली बात नहीं करती थी, बट नाउ शी इज मोर कॉन्फिडेंट. तो शायद इस चीज ने उसका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करने में भी हेल्प करी है.
Yes. And this really helps a lot, you personally as well.
Yeah.
Yes. And ma'am, now I have a quickie rapid fire for you. So would you like to do that?
Yeah, let's start.
Okay. So first one is 90s music or current music?
90s.
Okay. Indoors or outdoors?
Indoors.
Picnics or road trips?
Picnics.
Okay. Rain or sunshine?
Sunshine, of course. We are fed up of rain here. Every day is just raining. I want sunshine.
Yes. 5 star or dairy milk?
अरे 5 स्टार का तो मैं टेस्ट भी भूल गया. आई थिंक 5 स्टार. डेयरी मिल्क तो यहाँ मिल जाती है. आई वांट टू गो विद 5 स्टार.
वो अलग ही टेक्सचर होता है उसमें, एक कैरेमलाइज
हाँ,
वाला.
बहुत टाइम पहले खाई थी यार. खाई इतना टाइम हो गया. डेयरी मिल्क तो सब जगह मिलती है, 5 स्टार नहीं मिलती यहाँ पे. 5 स्टार.
Okay. Long hair or short hair?
लॉन्ग.
Books or movies?
बुक्स.
You would like to know how you will die or when you will die?
नो, आई डोंट.
Both
नो,
not.
नो.
Okay. Next one, cakes or cookies?
केक्स. ऑलवेज. मोर देन वेलकम.
Okay. Animals or humans? Are you a people's person?
I'm both, actually. I'm both.
Yes.
So I
And we
like
also have
animals.
this kind of social that attitude towards animals, obviously.
Yes. So I like both.
Okay. Tea or coffee?
Tea, of course. मेरी टी बड़ी famous है.
Even I'm a tea fanatic.
I love tea.
Yes. Online shopping or in-person shopping?
Depends what I like, actually. So I would give like both. Both.
Hmm. all both have their own privileges.
Yeah, there
Sometimes
are
you have to.
some things when you want to touch, you want to feel, so
Hmm.
that I want to go in person, and some things are like, okay, let's order it online. So it's
Hmm.
both. It depends on what I'm gonna buy.
Yes. Sweet or spicy?
Both.
Okay.
Both. I love sweets, I love spicy food, so both.
Gymming or yoga?
Yoga.
Okay. So do you perform yoga or these kind of
I
meditation exercises?
Yes, I do that. Gymming, I don't like. I can do walk normally, जो आपकी exercise होती है. I can do that, but I'm a thyroid patient, so if I do very heavy workout, then I feel so much tired. Then I don't left with any energy to do anything else in the day.
Yes.
So I better like yoga, and yoga is so like drenching as well. You can sweat out a lot, but it is like slow motion. You are doing these things. So I'm yoga person. Gymming, I don't know. Not too much. No.
Yes. And when you are having the thyroid, then you become prey of that fatigue very often.
Yes, very often. So you have to look so many things if you have thyroid. It's just a very small kind of sickness, but it takes lot from you. Lot.
Yes. Yes. Okay, next one. Late night parties or early morning workouts?
Oh, I would go for late night parties. Well, I never been, but in this section, yeah, because I'm not that morning person, but I have to wake up in morning now.
Hmm.
So I'll go for late night parties.
Okay.
I want to experience.
Newspaper or online blogs?
Online blogs are more better. Newspaper, no, big no.
Yes. And even we are having some kind of confidential data in online blogs rather than in newspapers.
Yes,
We can
yes,
believe to some extent with blogs.
yes. Sometimes, and that is individual based, I feel, and that's not that much business like newspaper.
Yes.
So,
Okay. Dog person or cat person?
cat person,
Okay.
cat,
Pizza or pasta?
pizza. I don't like pasta.
Do your daughter like pasta?
She loves both pizza, pasta. She loves both. You can give her every day. She can eat every day. But I love pizza, and I really miss IIT दिल्ली के सामने था पिज्जा स्क्वायर, उनका मस्त पनीर वाला जो पिज्जा. Oh my God, I love it. But 11 साल हो गए खाए हुए.
Yes. Obviously, you will be nostalgic with your this journey in India to England.
Yeah, because now when we go visit India, we don't visit New Delhi. Like we land to New Delhi, but then
Yes.
straight away go to home.
Hmm.
So Delhi memories are really just memories now. We spent 4 good years there, but now we don't visit.
Okay. Water parks or theme parks?
Theme parks.
Because there, we can learn something from that theme also. And
Yes.
these are becoming very trendiest these days, theme parks.
And there is less mess than water
Yes.
park.
Yes. They are very well organized, well
Yes.
decorated.
बहुत सारी
Okay.
एक्टिविटी होती है वाटर पार्क में इतना ज्यादा नहीं होता जस्ट राइड्स एंड पूल्स एंड एवरीथिंग बट थीम पार्क देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स व्हिच यू कैन एक्सप्लोर
Yes. Library or museums?
both I like both
Summer or winter?
summer I don't like winter
Yes, क्योंकि विंटर्स में बस लिहाफ के अंदर बैठ जाओ और फिर आपका
यहाँ तो
काम
all
अफेक्ट
the
नहीं होता है.
time
हाँ,
all the
ठंडी
time
होती है.
is just winter so we just want like here May June July is like nice weather कि आप हल्की सी जैकेट पहन के बाहर निकल जाओ या चलो ना पहनो but all the year if you are going out you just need to wrap yourself in so many layers so here
Yes.
I don't like winters if I go to India then I would like winters so that is
Okay.
diplomatic answer
Yes. Okay. Reality TV or fictional drama?
mm, both depend करते हैं कि स्टोरी लाइन क्या है
कभी कभी इवन
तो
फिक्शन से हम बहुत अच्छा सीख पाते हैं.
सीख जाते हैं तो आई लाइक बट आई मोर लाइक एनिमेटेड मूवीज ना विच आई कैन वॉच विद माई डॉटर एंड डिज्नी मूवीज आर बेस्ट दे ऑलवेज गिव गुड लेसन गुड स्टोरीज एंड यू कैन वॉच विद फैमिली सो आई लाइक दैट
Yes. Reading or writing?
रीडिंग
So
राइटिंग
what
इज
kind
लेस
of books you love to read? Fiction or non-fiction?
both I like both again depend on the
Hmm.
storyline कि क्या story
Yes.
interest आ रहा है so I can read anything so
Yes.
I like my daughter's storybooks even so I love
Hmm.
those so anything
Yes. And with that, we go back to their our childhood, that
एग्जैक्टली
memories.
और हमारे टाइम पे इतना कुछ नहीं था अब तो बच्चों के पास बहुत है
Yes.
हमको तो कार्टून देखने के लिए संडे टू संडे वेट करना पड़ता था मोगली आ रहा है या कुछ भी आ रहा है नाउ इट्स लाइक 24 hour you can watch cartoon anytime I enjoy Tom and Jerry with Peppa
Okay.
Pig
Yes. And the second last one, texting or talking?
talking I'm talkative
Okay.
I talk a lot
Okay. And last one, your hobby of Vikas sir, what he wants to do in his free time.
oh my god that's a very what he wants to do. He likes
When he
gardening
gets
as well.
time,
Oh no, he just like to just sitting, watching or sleeping. If he
okay.
get time, he just want to,
Yes.
okay, I'm going to sleep. He is
Because he
like
has a
that.
very that overpacked, hectic schedule.
Yes, yes. So he likes sleeping or just lying down on sofa all the time whenever he gets time. So he's like that.
Yes. So, ma'am, this was our that rapid fire round, that task, and I hope you loved it.
I loved it, liked it.
Yes. And ma'am, it was wonderful talking to you. Pleasure speaking to you. Any last sign of message that you wanna give to all your fans here?
I just want to say always stay positive, always look at the good side of everything और अपने अंदर एक कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करो और अपने अंदर एक भरोसा रखो whatever you want to do just go ahead and do it but do the right things कुछ भी करने से पहले खुद से पूछो कि वो सही है या गलत है तो सही चीजें अगर आप सोचोगे करोगे तो सब कुछ सही सही होगा that's it just be positive that's it
Yes, absolutely. And this is the best last message that one can convey, that just you need to be understandable that what is right and what is wrong.
exactly
And that is the main task of education also.
बिल्कुल दिल ना दुखाओ बस किसी का
Yes, because the life is very short-lived.
वेरी शॉर्ट दूसरे के ऊपर उंगलियां उठाने के अलावा और बहुत सारे काम हैं जो आप अच्छे अच्छे कर सकते हो
Yes. So, ma'am, with this, it's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the live, and thank you so much for taking out the time from your busy schedule. You
Complete,
are a busy woman.
completely fine no problem at all anytime I really enjoyed it hope people enjoyed as well
Yes. And
and
thank
yes
you
I
so
just
much
saw
for
one
enlightening
comment
with your kind words.
there is one comment where is so fucking everyone knows my husband he always lie down on sofa
Okay. Okay. And I would also like to thank all the viewers here who commented very well, who asked their questions, who made the session engaging and interactive. But yes, the credit goes to you. They are all
Are
are your fans.
thanks to you who arranged these things and I got chance to speak again so much and all the people who joined thank you so much and thanks to you you really did a good job
Yes. All right, ma'am. Thank you so much. This means a lot. And I hope you have thoroughly enjoyed. And best of luck for your future endeavors. Just keep up the
thank
good
you
work. Keep inspiring people.
thank you so much thank you best of luck to you whatever you want to do just achieve it so many blessings so much love be happy
Yes. Even I also learned a lot of things from your personality, from your answers, from your replies.
I'm blessed thank you so much
Yes. And ma'am, one last question, that what you wanna say for this meet and greet? That is my own self-proclaimed talk series where we invite people from different backgrounds to just inspire people.
Keep doing this. It's really good. People get engaged. Everyone has different perception for life, different things for the life, and people uh, like listen और वो सीखते भी हैं फिर. So keep
Yes.
doing that. I really loved this idea. And if you want me again, if you did not get bored, then I'm more than welcome to come again.
Yeah,
And we
very
can
sure.
make a certain topic as well. Okay, we're gonna discuss that topic, so we can talk on a topic as well. So I'm completely fine with that. No problem at all. But keep doing it. It's really good.
Yes, thank you so much for your kind words. And here is one last comment. People are appreciating you. Like, she is humble, cute, and so hardworking. I just love
Oh,
watching her every day.
thank you so much. It's just cause of you guys. You love it. That's why I'm doing it. Otherwise, channel तो कब का हो चुका होता. Thank you.
यस, क्योंकि वो कंसिस्टेंसी से लोग प्यार करें, वो भी आई थिंक बहुत बड़ी बिग डील है, क्योंकि एक टाइम
बिल्कुल.
वेरिएंट नहीं होना.
मैं 2 दिन का ब्रेक लेती हूँ. आई गेट सो लाइक हंड्रेड्स ऑफ कमेंट. दीपिका वीडियो नहीं आ रही है, दीपिका वीडियो नहीं आ रही है, आप ठीक तो हो. तो वो जो एक रिलेशन बन गया है ना सबके साथ, एक पर्सनल फैमिली की तरह, दैट मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी. तो उससे मुझे लगता है कि मुझे वीडियोस डालनी ही डालनी है. इतने सारे लोग इंतजार कर रहे हैं.
Yes, you must be feeling like you have some kind of responsibility.
Yes, yes, it is now.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. So you also offered that you can be available with the second chance. Even people are also replying that they would love to see again. So in the near future, we will try that as well, according to your
बिल्कुल.
schedule. And
बिल्कुल
people are
बिल्कुल.
just loving you. They are just showering their love to you.
Thank you so much. So blessed. Thank you.
Yes. And ma'am, obviously you have been so confident. You replied so well. You replied very naturally. You know, you are very grounded, very honest. So thank you so
Thank you.
much for replying very well.
Thank you so much. Thanks to you.
Yes. All right, ma'am. So now it's a wrap. Also convey my regards to your family.
Of course I will. और आंटी को सलाम जरूर देना मेरा.
Yeah, sure. All right, ma'am. Have a great.
All right.
It is gonna be afternoon for you, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be 1 o'clock now. It's
Yes.
quite a long session, but yeah, I thoroughly
Yes.
enjoyed it. I
We have
loved it.
talked about everything.
Yes, everything and in detail, like always in my videos, everything in so
Yes.
detail
Yes. So that it can be very helpful to people. And
to
now have a
understand it.
great day.
Thank you so much. You have a great night. Go for night out. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Hopefully see you soon.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining. Best
Bye.
regards. Bye.
Thank you.